Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. This is Sandy for Spellbinders, and today I'm sharing a card making tutorial using the Shapeabilities Antiquities Square Edge dies from the Vintage Treasures collection by Becca Feeken. In this tutorial, I'll provide you with the measurements to make this card and tips on how I go about in bringing out the elegance to each card that I make. You will find links to everything that you see here in my blog and in the area underneath this video. Enjoy the tutorial. This set of dies comes with the outer frame and insert, the inner frame and insert, and the decorative medallion die. We trim a piece of cardstock to 10 by 5 inches, place it horizontally on your scoring board and score at 5 inches, then fold. For the first layer to my card, I die cut the larger frame and I chose a repeating design in gold. For my second layer, I add the insert to the larger frame. I use washi tape to hold these two pieces together, and I use the same color cardstock as the base for this part. Next, I add washi to the inner frame and insert and die cut this piece using the same cardstock design as my first frame. Then I use a scrap of gold cardstock for the medallion. And we are now ready to build our elegant greeting card. And once you have all of your pieces in place, you can add your embellishments. And as an added touch of elegance, I like to add a matted white piece of cardstock to the inside of my card. I hope that you found this card making tutorial helpful and that you've gathered some card making ideas for your very own elegant card projects. And the following are other cards that I made with other dies from the Vintage Treasures collection by Becca Feeken, and you will find those links in the area underneath this video and also in my blog. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.